10-1 at 138. So it definitely cooked the tires off the line. We're gonna have to see if we can get some traction. It's freezing cold out here, so the engines are running good, but it's hard to grab traction with the rubber being so cold. So. .968 at 140. What do you think about that, Casey?
Getting there, huh? A little bit.
That's it, boys, 2 records. Oh yeah, 9.4 at 140. Both heads cam records right there. .964 at 139. Car is ripping it. Naturally aspirated, heads cam. She's going 960s. .937 at 141. That's straight ripping.